And if they were to remove those trees, even from the backside slope.
Hello everybody, Bob Lusk, the Pond Boss.
Dan Durallop, do you recommend removing trees on a dam or an older pond? On dam of an older pond? Typically not. And here's why. Matter of fact, the lake where the dam burst and they repaired it, I was looking at that dam yesterday, and there were probably, for this 50-acre lake, that dam's probably 250 feet long, and I bet you it had 15 elm trees on it that were 10 to 14 inches in diameter. Pretty big. And if they were to remove those trees, even from the backside slope, and remove the root ball, there's going to be a void in the dam which weakens it. If you were to cut trees down, I'll tell you this, don't take any trees off of an old dam unless they're 4 inches in diameter, down by the base where it first starts to come up. If they're 4 inches or smaller, you can take them off. But if they're not, if they're bigger than that, leave them alone. You'll cause more problems.
You know, if you've got an older pond dam, you might be tempted to clear out all those overgrown trees. But listen to this. Expert fisheries biologist Bob Lusk warns that gut instinct could be a really dangerous mistake that threatens the whole structure. Okay, so first you've got to understand the risk of what's called the void. When you dig out a tree, especially that big root ball, you're not just cleaning up, you're leaving a giant empty space inside the dam. On an old earthen dam, that hole weakens the structure way more than the tree ever did. So, second, what's the safe threshold here? The advice is to stick to a 4-inch rule. Basically, if a tree is 4 inches in diameter at the base, or smaller, you're probably fine to remove it. But anything larger than that, you absolutely must leave it alone. Even if you've got some big 10 or 14-inch trees blocking the view, trying to rip them out will cause way more problems than it solves. So, here's the takeaway in a nutshell. Feel free to clear the small scrub, but never dig out the big trees. You risk creating those weak spots, those voids, that could literally burst the dam. That's the bottom line on dam safety.
Hey, thanks for stopping by the Pond Boss YouTube channel. Be sure and share it. Click like. And oh, by the way, Pond Boss Magazine, $35 a year, cheaper than a Friday night date, and it lasts a year. Hope you enjoyed this intel, and we got more on the horizon.
Adios for now.
Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, tell me what to do to make all my Lunker Lake dreams come true.